Today we're talking about how to keep marriage from running on autopilot. I'm Danny. This is Daniel. Welcome back to Marriage Minutes. So how do you keep marriage from running on autopilot?
The first thing that you want to do is make sure that you're checking in with each other so that you can reset direction. Question any routines that no longer serve unity. So you want to take a look at this. This can be done in your same page meeting. This
same
could be
page
done
meeting.
just a quick few minutes or at a same page meeting that lasts a lot longer that you're doing once a week. But it's important that you're checking in and question these routines. And then lastly, you want to make conscious decisions on where you're going, making sure that you're going together and not just operating on default. Be intentional with your relationship, be intentional in your marriage, and that way you are having connection and moving in the same direction.
That's what we have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you come back tomorrow for another episode of Marriage Minutes.
See you tomorrow.